It's been a real community effort. Everyone from year 4 to 6 has worked together. Homeroom teachers, specialist staff, LSAs have all come together. They've supported with choreographies, with rehearsals, with tech, with props, with costumes. The students have also worked as a real team from year 4 till year 6, supporting each other, different scenes.
I like collaborating with my classmates and just being on stage and just learning new things and like growing my confidence and my communication skills. I think I really like that it's a childhood memory that I feel I would always remember.
When I first joined the production, I felt nervous and scared, but now I'm blossoming with confidence. In Teamwork Skill, we stand there, we help each other. When they forget their lines, we help them skip it or we say it for them.
I think what's really impressive is how they've learned that communication is not just the words you say, but the way that you say it. So on stage, they're thinking about their body language, they're thinking about how they stand, how they position their hands. They consider the tone of voice. They have to learn to project their voice and speak confidently and proudly. I think that stage presence, that communication has been incredible to see. I think there's a lot of different skills that the children learn during the production that will help them throughout their life. Speaking confidently, projecting their voices, communicating, working as a team, taking on leadership responsibility. All of these skills are important for their whole lives, whether it's school, university, in the workplace. These skills are really important. I hope that they hold on to these skills and use them later in life and continue to be as brilliant as they are.